In this video I will show you how to fix error 1001 in Roblox. First open the Play Store. Then click on search icon. Then search the Roblox. If your Roblox not updated, then update the Roblox. After that your problem solved. If not solved, then do this. Open mobile setting. Then click on app. Then click on manage app. Then search the Roblox. Then click on it. Then click on Clear Data. Then click on Clear Cache. After that your problem solve. If not solve, then do this. Uninstall the Roblox and then install it. After that your problem solve. If not solve, then do this. Restart your phone. I hope your problem solve. I hope this video helped you. If did it, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel.